everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I wanted to show you 5 ways on how to style a Lady Dior bag.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, my name is Kenzie. I'm so happy to have you. I do a lot of videos on luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I love those a lot. So if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So the Lady Dior bag is such a versatile bag. Let me just tell you right off the bat. It's so versatile. You can wear it so many different ways. This is my Lady Dior. If you have not seen her already, she's so beautiful. Wow. She's like a blush color, and I have the small ABC Lady Dior. And I have already done a full review on this bag. I'll have it linked up here or up here and in the description if you haven't seen that already. And I've also done a comparison between this bag and my YSL Lulu Puffer. So there's definitely more content on this bag for you to watch after this video. I saw first this video from Caitlin Polowski, and I'll have her video linked in the description, of course, and her channel. Well, I don't see that one here. I thought she did like 5 ways to style the Lady Dior. I don't know. If she did do that, I'll have it linked in the description. If she only did the Chanel one, then I'll just have the Chanel one linked in the description. But I just thought that it was a really good idea, and I like doing style videos, clothing videos, and I know that a lot of people are very interested in the Lady Dior bag. When I did my review of this bag, it's done very well on the channel, so if you watch that, thank you so much in advance. I really appreciate it. And so yeah, it seems like a few people are interested in this bag, so I wanted to do like a style video to show what you can wear it with. I'm going to zoom you out a little bit and I'll just pan you down so you can see the outfit that I have on. And of course I will have everything linked in the description as long as I can find it. Some of these things are pretty old so if I can't find it anymore, I do apologize, but everything that I can link, I'll link for you. So the first outfit I have here is going to be a very sporty outfit. This is going to be just something that you're throwing on, running some errands, maybe even like, I don't know, going for a walk. I don't know why you would take a Lady Dior to go for a walk, but still, it's a category. But this is your very sporty outfit, but still very, very cute. I have this cycling top from Free People, and I have, actually these are both from Free People. These are kind of like cycling shorts, nylon shorts, and I just think they go really, really well with the Lady Dior. And here is what the outfit looks like on. I think it is just such a cute little pairing, and for this super duper casual outfit, I probably would wear the Lady Dior crossbody just like this because I am wearing white shorts, so I have no issue with color transfer. And this would just be the cutest little sporty outfit to wear your Lady Dior with. And I'm wearing some Tory Burch sneakers as well, and I have done an unboxing and a review on these sneakers that I will also link in the description. But I just think this outfit is one of the cutest things, and I think if you are someone that likes a sporty look, if you like a sporty style, if that's your vibe, then this is 1,000,000% going to be up your alley. And I also think that the pink Lady Dior will go very well with this as well because it's not too bold, it's not too like in your face, it's still considered a neutral color. So yeah, that is my outfit number 1. Outfit number 2 and style number 2 is going to be your casual outfit. This is not going to be sporty like this one. It's just going to be more casual vibe, but still something super duper cute and something that I feel like anyone could wear. We've got this adorable little tank top. Look at her, she's so cute. I got this from Princess Polly, and I got it in a US size 6. And I've got these shorts. I got these from Revolve, but these are from A Goldie, and let me just tell you, these are some of my favorite shorts. When it comes to A Goldie shorts though, I feel like they're very hit and miss, especially with the sizing. I feel like this is a 27, which is normally my size, and these I feel like are so tight. This is gonna sound really weird, but if I can't fit into these shorts, I know that I've gained weight because they have no room, they have no forgiveness, they have no stretch, and they are just tight. So I love these shorts though, and they're one of my favorites, so I got that. And then to go over it, I have this cute little light knit cardigan. It's just like a super duper light knit. I used to wear this every single day when I was in Italy. It was like my go-to cardigan. I would wear it with something like this. I'd wear it with literally everything. And I got this from ASOS, and I got it in a US size 4, and it is just the literal best cardigan that I've ever had. It's my favorite cardigan that I own, and she's very lightweight. She's just a little bit of extra something on your arms, but not really too much. Here is the second outfit, the casual style, and I just think this looks so freaking cute, you guys. And with this style, I do think that you could either carry this by the top handle or wear a crossbody. I think I would still wear a crossbody just because, I don't know, I like the look of the crossbody a lot. And I would say with these jeans, I would be just a little bit careful because they're not super light, but they're not super dark either. So when it comes to this, if you feel better wearing it as a top handle, then I think you should do that as well. You could always just change out the jeans for something a more light wash. That's all you have to do. Like if you like an outfit like this, if you like the style, just wear a more light wash jean and you shouldn't have any issues at all. I just paired these jeans with the outfit because I love these shorts. So that's it. She's so cute and she's ready to go to the store. She's ready to run some errands. She's ready to go to brunch or something like that. The cutest freaking little outfit. Also, for my shoes, I have these incredible sandals from Steve Madden. Look at these. They're called the Starry sandal, and they are so freaking sparkly. I would say on these sandals, they definitely do run very, very small. I got an 8.5, and I thought they were going to be too narrow, but they're actually perfect for me. But a lot of people I have seen online say that they run super duper narrow, so just be careful when it comes to that, but they're so cute. Next up, I have got an edgy outfit for you guys when it comes to Lady Dior. I really love the look of a Lady Dior with an edgy outfit. It's kind of like the juxtaposition of like a really elegant, classy style bag that's going with like a lot of black or something with like spikes, I guess. I don't know. I really like that look. So for this, I have an all black piece. So this is going to be my black totem sweater jumper, if you will, and I have this in a size small, and this is one of my favorite sweaters. It still has the tag, but this is one of my favorite sweaters that I own. I love it so much, and I thought it would look just so cute with these black skinny jeans. And yes, you heard me correctly, skinny jeans. Listen, I'm very aware that Gen Z thinks that skinny jeans are no longer in. And who am I to say anything about that? Like, it's all trend. It's all gonna come back at some point. You know, low rise has gone out, but it's coming back in. I personally will never go back to low rise. So I don't expect like millennials or Gen Z to go back to skinny jeans if they don't want to, but I digress. I still like to wear skinny jeans now and again. So I have these skinny jeans, and I got these from Abercrombie & Fitch. They're skinny jeans, but they're high rise. These are very cute. I like them a lot, and I think they'll go really well with the black totem sweater. All right, you guys, here is my third outfit, the more edgy style outfit, and I think this just looks so freaking nice. With this, I did pair my boots from Michael Kors, and I've had these for about 2-3 years now, and I really like them. They're super cool. They have these little studs on them, which look awesome. My camera doesn't know what to do with this because I'm wearing all black, so I apologize if it's like blowing this out and like making it super exposed, but I think this looks so freaking cute. This is an outfit that I feel like you would 1,000,000% need to top handle the bag. Like, I do not think that you should be wearing this crossbody. I think that you should 1000% be top handling this bag with an all black outfit, but it just looks so nice and chic and like just professional and put together. I'm really into this. I like it a lot. Next outfit, next style I have is going to be your business chic. Okay, so this is for the working person, someone that's going into an office job or something like that. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend carrying your designer bags to your office job, but still, this is just a fun video. So I have this cute little bodysuit from Aritzia, and it is a sleeveless bodysuit, and it is, well, it's a tank top, and it goes like this. It's very, very cute. I got this in a size medium. I thought it was a small, but it's not. It's medium, but very cute. And then to go on top of that, I have this beautiful blazer. I got this blazer from Neiman Marcus, I think, but it is by Sinkacept. I don't know, but I'll leave it in the description. But it is my favorite blazer that I've ever owned. I still have the tag in it. I don't know why. I just keep the tag and everything. But I love this blazer. It has a ruching detail on the sleeves, like you can see right here, and it is just so freaking stunning, and I think it just goes really, really well with any type of outfit. I know I've been seeing a lot of people wear blazers with more casual, sporty clothing as well, so you do whatever you want to do there. And then I have these white trousers from Zara to go with it, and I think this will just look super good. They're very long trousers, and I like these. I like them a lot. They're very pretty, very business chic, very working person on the go. We love that. You guys, here is my next outfit, the business chic outfit, and you guys, I've got to say, I feel so badass in this outfit. I feel so powerful. I feel like an absolute boss babe in this outfit. I love it. I love it so much more even than I thought that I would. It just looks so good. I'm freaking obsessed. And with shoes, I did put on just some black kind of sock boots, and I actually forgot where I got these, but maybe I'll find some similar and link those. This is just like one of my favorite outfits now. I have to wear this at some point. I've got my Aritzia bodysuit, Zara white trousers, and then my blazer, and this is just an absolute vibe. You could also wear this crossbody if you wanted to with this outfit because your pants are white. So even if you're wearing like a black blazer or something like that, I wouldn't worry too much. Just don't get, you know, the blazer on top of it or anything, but I wouldn't worry too much because your trousers are white. So you shouldn't have to worry about color transfer. And then my last outfit, my last style is going to be something super duper formal. This is not a dress, but a jumpsuit. This is a black jumpsuit, and you guys, I know that we're doing black with the Lady Dior. Hear me out. When we get to the try on portion, I'll explain my thoughts because I mean, we're doing black with the all edgy look as well, but I'll explain there too. But yeah, I think this will look so good with a black jumpsuit, and it'll just look so fabulous, I believe. So yeah. All right, you guys, here is my final outfit, the formal outfit, and I think this looks insanely good. Personally, it is definitely something that you would need to top handle this for. I actually would probably take the strap off completely because I feel like that would give it more of a clean, more put together look. But if you wanted to leave the strap, you can do that. But for this, I would probably just have it on the hook of my arm like this, or even just like held down on the side. But I didn't actually pair any shoes with these because with this I'd probably wear like heels, and I don't have heels. So I should get some heels. But I think this just looks so freaking good together. I think it really pulls in the outfit, and of course you could wear something like more sparkly if you wanted to, but I really just think the Lady Dior just brings everything in, and it just becomes a complete, very classy outfit just by itself. Really beautiful. I would not crossbody this, or honestly I wouldn't even have it too close to your hip or anything. This is one that I would probably only top handle and just carry it out to the side or something, just because I really do not trust this bag with color transfer. But yeah, other than that, she's beautiful and I love it to absolute pieces. And you guys, that has been my video on 5 ways to style your Lady Dior bag. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments which style or which category you really liked the most. Let me know which one actually falls within your realm of actually dressing. I would love to know that, and just leave me a comment telling me anything else, just because I want to know everything. But again, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and the subscribe if you want to, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!